Okay, for this application, this is for your blue pump. For the blue pump, if the body barb has broken off, when you come to replace it, here's the assembly. If this part is broken off, what you're going to do is you're going to go to the bag that says acetone and acetone adapter, and you will remove the body barb, and then you will put this in, including any wires or dongles that you need that have previously been. You're going to screw all 4 screws in. Michael's doing that for you now as we speak. Then what you will do is you will put Teflon tape on the female dry brake. Here, he's going to put Teflon tape on it, several wraps, because you're going to need it to make sure there's no leaks. And then you're going to carefully thread it into the top. First you reverse it, and then you thread it to make sure it's caught, and then you screw it all the way in. Now, we have a feeling that instructions for how to assemble the male dry brake onto the female may be necessary. So the way we recommend doing it is holding the pump itself and then inserting the male end. Pretty easy. Do not hold it by the adapter, by the pump to hose adapter. To remove it, literally, you just push the button and it comes off. Okay, so thank you. This is the video for the acetone pump.